Hello and welcome to our channel. I hope you're in a great mood today and ready for some baking magic. Let's start with the dry ingredients. We'll need 200 grams, or about 1 1/3 cups of plain flour. Next, add 100 grams, that's half a cup of brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. It already smells like something cozy. Now, let's move on to the wet ingredients. Crack in 2 eggs. Then pour in 150 grams of melted butter. That's about 2/3 of a cup. Smooth and rich. For a little extra flavor, add a dash of almond and vanilla essence. And don't forget 50 to 60 grams of nuts for crunch. Now let's prepare the cranberries. Take 50 grams of dried cranberries, pour boiling water over them, and let them sit for just 1 minute. This makes them juicy and soft. And of course, the star of the show, 2 medium carrots, about 200 grams in total. Grate them on a fine grater. So bright and colorful. Now combine everything together and mix well. Get your baking pan ready. Mine is 26 by 11 centimeters or 10 by 4.5 inches. Pour the batter in and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. While it's baking, let's make a quick toffee sauce. Melt 50 grams of butter, that's a 1/4 cup, and add 70 grams of brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons. Pop it into the microwave for 1 minute. Mix well until smooth. Now stir in 80 milliliters of heavy cream, that's 1/3 of a cup. And there it is, silky golden toffee sauce. When the cake is ready, take a wooden skewer and make small holes across the surface. Pour the warm toffee sauce all over and spread it evenly. Let the cake soak up the goodness for about 20 minutes. For a finishing touch, sprinkle with almond flakes. Perfect. And now, it's time to enjoy. Bon appetit, friends! Enjoy the taste of this wonderful and fragrant cake. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, and happy baking!